Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to adjust your windshield sprayers. Pardon the dirty car, it is an off-roader. So, alright, let me show you kind of what it's doing right now and how to adjust this. It's something fairly simple, but lots of people do not know how to do this. Right. See, it's way high and only 2.5 are spraying. Okay, so all we're gonna need is needle. So this one sprays way high, so what we're gonna lower it down a little bit. This one seems to be clogged, so we're gonna unclog it. This one seems to be clogged also, so we're gonna unclog this one also. That way they pee like they should be peeing. Alright, and here's kind of end result now. A lot better, a lot where it needs to go. Now I just gotta adjust the other one. Alright boys and girls, here's the end result. Perfect coverage. So yeah, all you need is a needle, just a regular sewing needle. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Forgot, please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, Laddie?